Now, what is serverless computing? Okay, let's clear one thing up. Hey guys, welcome back to Cloud Quest with Hadassah. In today's video, I'm going to explain serverless computing in the simplest way possible. If you've heard about AWS Lambda or function as a service and you don't know what it means, then stay tuned. Now, what is serverless computing? Okay, let's clear one thing up. Serverless doesn't mean there are no servers. It just means you don't have to manage them yourself. The cloud providers like AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud take care of all the back-end stuff like scaling, maintenance, and security. Instead of running a full-time server, you just have to take care of your code. And the cloud provider runs it only when needed. You pay only for what you use, no waste. Let's say you have a website and you need to send a welcome email when anyone signs up. Without serverless, you will need to keep a server running 24/7, even when no one is signing up. With serverless, you can use AWS Lambda to run your email sending code only when someone signs up. No sign up, no costs. It's like only paying for electricity when you switch on the light. No unnecessary bills. Why is serverless so important? It's cost effective. You only pay when your code runs. It is scalable. Whether 10 or 10,000 people uses your app, AWS handles the load. Less stress. No need to update or manage servers. AWS handles that for you. Now that's serverless computing in simple terms. It saves you money, scales automatically, and removes the stress of managing servers. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, drop a comment. See you in my next video. Keep learning and keep growing. Bye.